In today's video, I will teach you how to remove reflections or glare from photos with AI. Let's get started. Have you ever taken a great picture only to find annoying glare on glasses, shiny spots on skin, or distracting reflections on windows or cars? These issues are common in photography, but they can be frustrating to fix manually. The good news is you can now use AI tools inside ChatGPT to remove reflections and glare quickly, even if you have no photo editing experience. So first, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Then log in with your account or create a free one. In the chat box, click the plus icon, then select Create Image. This enables the image editing mode. Now click the plus icon again and select Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl-U on your keyboard. Then choose the photo from your computer that has reflections or glare. Then wait for the upload to finish. Now this is where the magic happens. In the text box, type a clear description of what you want the AI to fix. And make sure to be as specific as possible about where the glare is and what the final result should look like. Now press enter after typing your prompt, and ChatGPT will process your request and generate a new image with the glare removed. Now, if the result isn't quite right, you can click the generated image and type in additional instructions. And the AI will create a new improved version. And once you're satisfied, you can hover over the image. Then click the download button to save it to your computer. You can also click share to post it directly to your social media. And here are some pro tips. And that's it! You can now quickly and easily remove reflections and glare from photos using ChatGPT's AI editing tools, no Photoshop skills required. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.